Hey it girls, come with me somewhere where I am not supposed to be, but that is our secret and we will not tell anybody. TJ Maxx. So first things first, I'm not a spooky season Halloween girl, but this was cute for $20. But I am a Hello Kitty girl and this was $24. They also had this cute straw juicy hat on clearance for $10. I thought it was cute. Moving on to the NutriBullet. I love mine. I have the pink one. Check the TikTok in the top left corner. 10 out of 10. Use it every morning. They also had this Nicole Miller makeup organizer with drawers underneath. It was $19.99 and it was pink, so of course I loved it. Then there's these candles. They're viral or whatever. $10. I wasn't impressed. And then here's the ribbon foul folders that I have. And then there was this like Marie Antoinette mixed with George Washington situation. It was cute. They had the neon lips. You know, I love girly decor, 10 in my book. And this really cute Christian Siriano disco pumpkin thing, loved it. This little skull is cute. It had flowers. And this mug was cute and it said decaf or die. I don't really drink coffee, but I kind of get it. It was $4.99, so I thought it was cute, but I didn't get it. This pink skull mug was everything. I'm not going to lie, but only because it was pink. If you didn't want to spend the money on the NutriBullet, they had a bullet blender that was $24.99 and it was rose gold. If you have a pup, please get him this Chucky doll. That's all. These pumpkin candies have been around for centuries. If you know, you know. This little boo picture had my heart. I don't know why, but it did. And your stove towels need to match the season. I don't care.
Never cross their legs in public. Why don't you just tuck one ankle behind the other and place the hands gracefully on the knees?
So me and Mia had to help my good sis out and cross them legs. But thanks for watching. This is all I have for you guys. Follow me on Instagram at Shop with Shaynna or here on YouTube at Shaynna in the City. And I'll have more for you soon. Mwah.